Hey, my name is Brandon Yates with Wagner Equipment. I am the commercial and residential project manager. We're in Wood River, Illinois. We do crane and heavy equipment rental.
I'm Joe Sardigal, operator local 520 for Wagner Equipment. Just got done operating our 120 crane here today. It's configured with the 12,000 pounds of counterweight and 15,000 pound tank we swapped out, and everything worked well. Today's job, we came with just the 12,000 pounds of counterweight for it. Later in the week, we're going to be configuring it with all the counterweight. Setting a modular house, probably going to weigh somewhere in the neighborhood of 42,000, probably going to be about a 40-foot radius.
With a 120-ton class, it's got a lot of boom, the ease of mobility, getting in and out, a lot of different counterweight options. It's comfortable to drive. The air ride system is a pleasure, especially on those long trips. This crane fills a lot of different holes in our fleet, so it's been pretty great so far.
Well, I like the simplicity. It saves a lot of time, so from the time we pull up, ready to pick, probably 30 minutes or less.
So whenever I pull up to a site and I'm ready to extend the outriggers, I usually grab the remote because it allows me to just stay in front of the machine or behind wherever I need to be and be able to see what's happening. That's really nice to be able to have eyes on everything.
The seats are real comfortable. I really like that. Controls are real simple to move. The swing brake's right on your swing lever, which makes it pretty convenient whenever you got to set your swing brake. Overall, yeah, can't beat it.
The Pulse 2 has been nice. The calc system on this, the confined lifting capabilities, is great. So if you need to adjust where your outriggers are, it will automatically compensate for that. And it's been a pretty cool feature. Yeah, very handy.
Oh yeah, definitely like the cameras that you keep an eye on your winches and your swing radius outside your blind spot, so that's pretty convenient.
Having the ability to operate the boom up and down with the remote control is really nice whenever you're installing the jib. The new pinning system, you can do that all from the ground. You don't need to climb up. It's been really nice.
Well, it's got like 164 foot of main boom, which that does almost every job we probably have to do, but you still do have the jib if you need a little extra.
The three-piece fly, it's easy to install, easy to take out.
Around the job site, yeah, the maneuverability is pretty nice. Cab's nice and low to the ground if you got to get in and out of the cab to see where you need to get to. It's got the differential lock and the axle lock, so if you're in some wet areas, definitely a nice feature having that axle lock. It's top notch. It's better than any machine I've been in. I actually went down to Link Belt and actually drove it all the way back to Wood River, so that was a pretty sweet ride. It's pretty close to a Cadillac riding down the road. It's quiet, the smoothest ride in a truck crane I think I've ever been in.
Usually if I have an issue, everybody I talk to at Link Belt, whenever we have an issue, no matter what it is, they always try to find a solution, and quickly.
This 120-ton truck crane's just been a sweet dream to operate. I'd definitely recommend this to anybody. Link Belt's the best in my opinion, so I know everybody's got their opinion, but that's me.